Do you like to eat? I like to eat. I think most people like to eat. We have to eat for survival. My question is cooking important? I know it's a little different topic than what I usually talk about, but here's where it's at. Most people think that going out to McDonald's, going to Burger King, or Taco Bell, or any of those other franchises and going to get fast food is quick and easy. And nothing against their organizations, but we realize and understand what fast food can do to our health. It really doesn't help our health because the foods are processed and they sit around for a long time and they don't boast well over a long period of time. Well, see, cooking is essential and it's important to keeping your body fit and strong, along with exercising. I believe in cooking a well-balanced meal, having your vegetables, preparing fruits, your salads, and also a small portion of meat if you eat meat, and if you don't eat meat, tofu. So make sure that when you cook the right foods, and if you are gluten-free, prepare foods that are gluten-free so you can expand upon your life, your thought process, and your level of energy. You know why? Because it's extremely important. And like I said, fast foods is okay every once in a while, but cooking is essential for longevity as it relates to your health and survival. You'll feel better, you'll think better, and you'll have a lot more energy. You know why? I believe in you.